Established on October 18, 1969 in Kingston, Jamaica, the Caribbean Development Bank CDB came into existence for the purpose of contributing to the harmonious economic growth and development of its member countries. It aims to promote economic cooperation and integration, having special and urgent regard to underdeveloped countries within the region. This multilateral financial institution is located in Barbados and is made up of regional borrowing members, regional non-borrowing members, and members from outside the region. The CDB is positioned to reduce inequality and halve the incidence of extreme poverty by the end of 2025 by supporting inclusive growth, sustainable development, and good governance. The institution has received high ratings from both Moody's and Standard & Poor's rating agencies. And in 2014, the bank approved loans and grants of $269.5 million, pushing its equity to $822 million by the end of that year. Jamaica is one of two of the bank's largest shareholders, owning 19% of the entity. The country joined CDB in 1970, and as at 2014, a total of $781.959 million in loans, contingent loans, equity, and grants were approved. CDB, through its Basic Needs Trust Fund (BNTF), has been used to finance social and economic infrastructure development, such as schools, road and water projects, building more disaster-resistant structures, student loans, and support for small and medium-sized enterprises. The BNTF is administered through the Jamaica Social Investment Fund (JSIF) and through locally led community development committees and citizens associations throughout the island. The Caribbean Development Bank, the leading catalyst for development resources into the region, working in an efficient, responsive, and collaborative manner with borrowing member countries' BMCs and other development partners towards the systematic reduction of poverty in their countries through social and economic development.